To edit the sound settings on a Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix, press and hold the menu button, just right here, and press it one more time to go at the very bottom of this page. Then enter into System and go down to Sounds. From here you have the ketone sounds. I don't know who would like to have it on, but I think it's pretty annoying. So I'm gonna disable it. Then you've got the alert tone, so when you receive a notification on your phone, do you want to have a sound alert on your phone? You can say yes during activity, yes always, or not at all. Well, I think on activity it might be fine. Vibration, do you want to have vibration when you got alerts or those kind of things? And the key vibe is a little vibration every time you hit a button. I think this is annoying too, so I'm gonna keep it off. And that's it. When you're done, you can press the back button up to the main page. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.